showcasing the perfect blend of design and functionality. Introducing this robust web AR experience that takes virtual unboxing to the next level, with product exploration that is easier and more immersive than ever before. To begin, place the Samsung Serif TV in your space in AR, power it on with a 3D remote controller, and use it to explore all that this feature-packed TV has to offer. What's more, use the voice command feature to increase or decrease the brightness and the contrast, and watch these changes appear on the TV screen.
Increase brightness. Decrease brightness.
But that's not all. To highlight the reusability of the eco-friendly packaging, we gamified the assembly of the furniture that you can create with the box. Want to give it a try? Unbox and explore the Samsung Serif TV here.